Well, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You see, for the first time you watch your channel here, please do subscribe. Subscribe, and a surprise me, surprise, you know. Big up everybody in Jamaica right now. They must have talk too long, and I talk too long for the intro, yeah. But big up everybody who say fire and say big up fire. Big up everyone of my fans that will take picture of me every day. Give thanks, you know what I mean? Keep on spreading the word. One love, you know. Watch a movie. My life, buy you a shoes, and you run up my life. Wagwan. Hello, what's up? Your husband gone back to America?
Yes, so I call if you ask if you can come look for me today.
Who your command you that said we're not true?
Yeah, you know I come back to the next 9 months. You don't time me come back.
Oh, well, it's rough. Yeah, you know what? Think about it, because right now, I'm in one situation and now part from my woman just left me, you know, so I think say, you call me on the right timing. So when I go there now, I just get a credit put on the phone to, you know, rush from the cash pad shop. Yo, it's like you may go call. But since you call me already, when I go drive, come up that way there and now there. I things I'm in my car already. You know what I mean? So I drive go look here right now. Because no man not did I know. Money up there?
Everything there, money, food, money.
I spend out the whole of mine one day. Alright, me a forward then, yeah? Yeah man, me a forward. Put on a pot. Come. Alright. One man.
Come here, come. Listen, color back here. No, we don't want to talk to them about.
stop once.
You want to talk to me, Bullet?
You just not like how we are living in our house and we are friends.
You don't like how we are living in our house and we are friends. No use the friend. I'm tired to tell you. But you don't like how we are living in our house. Why we are living in our house, sir?
I'm gonna read that. I'm gonna read. Go start on fresh.
How you want alright? How you want me start over fresh when you have my man big in your belly? Just tell me how to do it and I will try to work with it.
Girl, I don't like so we didn't mean to do it we didn't mean to get pregnant. It just happened.
It just happened. Alright, what you want me to do? You want me to forgive you? What you want me to do?
Yeah. Forgive me. Me can't believe so we are friends for so long. And one little mistake me make, you have me up and even put a man over me. Like seriously, hey, and your man they command to me. And because the money me they get, me take it. And I like so we have it like that.
So no other man now come and tell you we have money. And my man alone have money? Anyways, me I gonna try my best to forgive you. If I get there, I try my best. And I like me not try. It not gonna happen now. It not gonna happen today nor tomorrow. But it's in the process.
Me go me have my cousin here, they have babysit, so me get more money for myself, so me just so avoid them and everything because me don't know how to do it.
Yeah, and go always have to talk, girl. I am baby daddy. But you see the rule what me want to set out is anything what happen with that child have to come through me. Any pitney maintenance, any little thing what the baby want and need, tell me and me deliver the message to him. Any money when you have to give you, and give me to give you. And that go be the plan. Me no want to see two or not.
Alright, so me work with that, but me just want back my friend.
Me no know if you ever get me back like how he did used to be. But me I work panny. Now that you come in here to talk to me about?
Yeah, then I could have what else.
Anyways, me did up on a call.
Anyway, do what you do. Later.
But I'm on a right bad on the road, man. Boy. Jaja got to both back in his hand. One gun, one ball. One girl gone, and a new one to carry on. Hold on. Hello.
Hello, Fire. Me there, you know, so me I call if you talk to you, cause me can't wait till you. Me can't wait till me see you. Zine?
Oh, Oh, me have to pull off of the road, man, because I drive got Mandeville, you know.
Yeah, man, come we are drive to Mandeville, you know.
Oh, okay. Me come to a conclusion, right? Where my friend just come talk to me. She a try to talk to me and it kinda hard, but me I think about it hard. So if me forgive you a chance in my life again, me have a rule. And the rule states where the two of you can't correspond. Me no want to not talk. If you even come here, go.
About that, man.
Fire, make sure me no want to not talk. Anything we have to do with you for give her money for the baby and me the money for go through and me will give her. You understand?
Are you serious?
For right now, me serious. Remember say fresh enough fire. Me not deprive you from your child, you know. I would never do that. But for right now, please me I beg you. Anything for go through with the baby, money or anything, make me deal with it, please. Me don't want to not correspond right now.
Me understand. Right now, I got man, but feel like me not bother want come. But we go turn back and we can't come back and link you today then.
Yeah, man, you can come back and link me. Make we talk.
Alright, me just fire you, so by the time we go to me, then I'm going to link you. I will finish the discussion, alright?
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, here what? Me can't bother come up there now. But we try to come a Mandeville next week, yeah? We can't bother make you a Mandeville. Alright? But me call you though. I want contract me get, man. Me get one contract for deal with some things, so me have to pencil it out. But I'll call you. Later me call you, me have time. But before me I go now, me can't use the phone. So no call me, wait till me call you. Alright? I know so you put on pot pan fire already, man. Stew peas and everything for me. But wait. Take you off of the fire, man. Take you off of the fire and put it down. Use the peas make soup. Alright? Ah. Yes, Joe. If you're not busy, look, yeah. It's your boy, Fire Rasta. I was born by the river in a little tent of Georgia. King sensation, bust a vibration. Hold on.
Me ask you something now. I will fly up in your head and get up early this morning and make porridge.
Oh, we just get a vision last night. So I must make some porridge this morning. I just feel the vibe, I don't know why. I'm not money, but you know, it's my time. I just feel the energy this morning, though. You're good, though.
Yeah,
I'm strong up on the road, though.
For a long time I don't see you burn on porridge, me I wonder.
No, man. I just make some porridge, man. Nah, my routine, man.
So where you go on the road good one now?
I'm not eating none of the porridge yet. The porridge just simmer down.
Ask you
What am I going
today.
to go do? Oh, today I'm going to try to make some money, girl. Me a hustle. I run down some money because I know you want it. Right? So we're dealing
I
with
don't
it.
want more I need, me need.
Yeah, man, so I can deal with it. But I drink from my porridge because everything done. It has simmer down and now. Pepper your daughter there.
You send her go shop to go buy macaroni and cheese. To look good for her breakfast.
Oh.
Because I don't know what fly up in your head, you see? But beg you buy the macaroni and cheese to me. When you go up on the road. And you know come back with no macaroni and cheese. I don't know what you they think about if I the girl you they think about my friend. But if I ever catch you in here they talk. Fire at this side done.
Remember saying no? We have agreement. When me and I enough exchange no word again. Till after the baby born, they up your shop in an account and make you the money and you put the money in the account for the maintenance. And you don't tell me say you put the baby last name like your name. Right? So why big deal? You don't have the agreement already.
You try and make sure. You hear me
Yeah,
I
man,
tell you?
no worries. We don't apologize to already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So I don't understand. We don't apologize to already, so no, listen there, but so. Alright, I smell like I price up also. See if I have shot you know. Are you causing, you know?
Hi, Mom. We're buying macaroni and cheese. May I get that much?
So let me ask you something now. I want to make you wear barefoot go on the road.
Because I'm going to buy my slippers.
I'm tired for tell us if you stop left your slippers outside. For dog take what this. I go down dog take what your slippers, you know. Now if you go carry go in the town go buy your one slippers. Like a girl, make you stress me out.
On the tar, not hot and on the concrete.
Yeah, it's hot.
Barefoot everything and book off all my tour. I don't know then come back. Well, I lick off all the while pan the ground and walk and book your tour. So. But I forget to slippers. You know what I mean?
So put you no ear when me talk to her. I said take up your slippers when you after you come when you come inside, but you're not here. It is alright. Go and put this in the kitchen.
Don't go for the porridge there, you know. I don't want the porridge burn you up. Alright, sir? You put it over there on the cinder bun on the side of the fire. Alright. Yeah, sweat though, man. You want to go to the beach today? Or river?
You don't go to river. Not like beach.
Alright, so. Miss you are going to come back off the road. If you come back in time, go on the road.
Alright, the river better.
Alright, that's it though.
Good morning.
like your porridge?
So you could give me some of my breakfast.
Which breakfast and I'm gonna make a man buy a breakfast? And a man,
Girl, what make you behave so sad to you? Your friend, you know, how far we are come from.
what definition of friend? Tell me what definition of friend. Come with the life for me.
Like seriously, girl.
Me and we are
So you choose one man over your friend. You choose a man over your friend.
Are you choosing at me? But me tell you this. Me did tell you so me prefer forgive the man than forgive you. And me and you have come from so far, girl, way back. And you do me that. Girl, me don't know how me ever forgive you. Me don't know how to forgive you.
I'm gonna look for something to eat. Nah, yeah, I
Do you
don't
think?
know.
Hello. So, the porridge where you look about. So that you look about if I forget a girl. Stop going let me eat that. The porridge where you look about out there. It look about if I forget a girl.
What's the mess now? Remember say for a long time she went buy the oats. She just make it private. Remember that who want drink some, you know, drink somebody drink some on the time talk to price and talk to price.
You're not supposed to in a
No,
income.
what you talk about?
She's supposed to provide for herself. I don't know family business in here no more, no friendship, no family business. She forgot supermarket, buy things for herself, look about it for herself. Anything where you look about and me look about is between me and you and my child. So what you tell me say?
You said not to talk to her.
Mm-hmm.
I don't talk to her.
Okay.
So what you say now? From the door.
So yeah.
Yeah, you know say better than this. I know that you're better than this. You're a better person. Food, you don't want to put food like that, man. Alright, food are food, man. Nah, we just left the food in there, so. About that.
It's you know my blood a boil up.
So we go up on the road, man. I don't feel different. Yeah.
Hello.
Alright, man. Just calm down yourself, man. I'll go food that thing.
No, why you're not frying now? Let me tell you this. You see anything where you see my man cooking here?
Let me tell you
Me
something.
no want you trouble it.
Let me tell you something. Lower your voice. Because when you talk to me, lower your voice. I told me I'm an auntie baby that me hand. Me know I'm mash you down in this man. Right? So just have
Put on your baby girl.
If you put on your
Liberty come through carelessness.
Let me tell you something. Look how much time me give you money. Look how much time me do things for you. And
Look how much time.
Yeah, come put over me.
Look how much you give me money, you give back. My man give you money, you give me money. And that's what I have to say.
I feel
Girl,
one man, I feel my man too. I told we man, we are share man in this. Yeah. So you want it, so you go get it.
Liberty come through carelessness. I mean, really? I
Then
talk
I
to
who? Me come here this morning and try to talk to you. And you are come go on like all that, you know all that. I got where you come from. You're not better than me. You two in the same class. You're not in a higher class. I don't say you're there too. Not up here so. Down here so. Right. Come here. This girl. Go back in the set to your man.
Martha! Aye! Little wanga belly got girl.
Girl.
Remember say you can't even provide for yourself. You have to have your man courage. Go away, girl.
Better than nothing. This big belly girl. You got bright thing. Oh yeah, man. Yeah.
Babe, want to touch your road in a year?
Alright, where you say I go?
Babe, me I touch your road here.
Alright, where you say I go?
Me I go up on the road go deal with some business on. Is it?
Alright.
Me have two clothes that I want to wear tomorrow, so if I can wash them out on the back for me, please, yeah? Alright, soon come.
My cousin.
Oh. Man, excuse me for your baby, you know. You hear me? You're supposed to come to the beer. That's it. So, crazy. Look, your money. Don't worry about shit.
No, I'm going to worry about shit. You're a man coming like a hand in the ball and I'm not nothing.
Alright, so here we go on now. That's too long. Yeah? Your friend around there, you know it's already. So true you see the part of me that might pick up and I go on. But she love it still in the man, this year go on. You know what I mean? She love it still. So
Anything else? Just
so see your money here. So you're a babysitter now, you get paid out, right?
yeah, me I get paid about $1,000 can't do nothing.
Me ask a question if you get me paid.
Yeah, me I get paid.
No, but me I pay the rent and I pay everything over yourself. But more start now. What did what can I out shit you feel sick at the time you not gonna work again?
Yeah. What am I to do?
Alright. We'll go on still. We'll go figure out something. So in the meantime I want good way to make your earnings. So you go tell your friend, say, girl, you know what you wanna see her say, no, you're bright to say for me too much, you know. Because if you take a baby there, a baby sick, I get my money. I think I might last phone to use and something that's why I'm thinking to my porridge, girl. You understand? Because I left a last corner oats in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So no
Alright,
about that.
so-
So you see that too and yeah.
So where you go?
No, I'm on the road, man. What time you done babysit?
5 o'clock.
When you come, you build a couple of things and call me. I pick you up and me carry go and I go water baby head, because baby must go water.
And that's all they can feel, man.
That one is like you love money though.
Bad like in grandmother.
Money? When I say money, you laugh.
You know, go take it. Go on, later.
You understand what things about.
Go on.
But later though.
Yes,
As you
call me.
done, you call me one more time.
Alright, me call them.
You not to pay attention to me.
Later.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
What you want now? What problem now?
Lady, me not come for cuss and fight today. No. Me not dey funny with her today. Me come for just alright, mama, alright. Me just come for say, your father why you back up there, and me why you back up there so you can help take care of your little sister.
What you mean by your father want her up there?
She father said she could come up. Your father miss her and he want her back up there. Your father miss her and he said she could come home.
We come closer. We're gonna talk like two decent people. Come to understand. So our father wants her up here. Our father couldn't call me on the phone and talk to me. Are you a messenger?
Yeah, no. The father say man call you know. But you know how he entered. He nah call. Everybody thinks say man call. So he just say alright, go on and tell him to me. So I can't tell you no. That's right.
Listen, me don't really want my people back up there, no. I tell you honest truth. So me don't know how that's gonna work out.
Well, look here. Remember say one room you live in here, you know, and a chair you know sleep in here. You, now you're a man. So now your father didn't even like when time man decide and that. You know man can do a one room this you have to try. At least when in the up so you have your own a room. So all you can do is just make your picnic come up.
I understand what you're saying. I'm not going to fight and call you down about it. You get what I say? As a mother, I know say wrong for in a one room with my pitney. But circumstances make me have to live as son now, but me currently I look somewhere for me. So I think about it when she come home back. You know where about that the man me? Cause me watch PP clock me up the watch. You understand what I say?
But anyway, you have a call him. I give him a phone and you call him because probably if I call him, he not go answer. So you call him and talk to him and hear him. Okay, go call him.
Yeah, Mark. Atia. Me see you send your baby mother come up here. Why problem? Me understand what you say no. Me get what you say. Alright, me go send her with her. And no make what happened last time happen again. Alright. You want to talk to her? Alright. Alright, hold on. You don't want to stay with me?
Okay. You sure say you not go beat me again? You not go feed me? Okay. I'm gonna come. Okay. Later.
Alright, Mom. We go pack up our things them now and send her with your lady. And make sure you take care of my picnic good up there. Alright.
Hello. See you cock up on bed in a middle day on phone.
So what you want me to do? What you want me to do?
Girl, you have to get a job and help me take care of. Right now, my money me come for feed me, you know. How long you no give her nothing? And me alone have to take care of her. Come on, man. You see, this is the problem. Why you can't send the money come to your daughter. Cock up in a bed, all day, on phone. Big woman like you. Come on now, some money will come for now. I will not even have long to stay neither.
Listen, you say my boyfriend come, me make you get a piece of food. Cause I lease that. I'm my youth too, you know. So me understand what you say. But me not working at the moment and I like every time me always not work. So you look at one time me not work, a problem?
Yes, you said unfair though. When you have her, you can't make a court for pitney maintenance. Now I have her, what you expect me to do? Come.
But what's it, Mommy?
When we ready for go foreign, me carry her come make you stay. Me soon go foreign. So when I go foreign, me carry her come make you stay. So come. Tell her bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye baby, love you.
Come now, come.
Where you hurry up with Pitney so far? You think a money alone take care of Pitney?
And she'll get big now. Someone other man come take care of my pitney. Hello?
It's just your phone on me.
Oh, go on.
Nuh-uh.
Come here, sit down some more, talk to you. Alright?
So what make when you feel?
When I talk to you, look up on me and say yes, daddy, yeah? You alright? When you always around me when you say.
Because my stepmother always leave me out in the house for some food. She always tells me to come with me.
Alright. You have a way of deal with that, man. Because I don't like to share your real mother. You see me? They expect better from her from that. So, boy, you eat and everything though.
Yep.
You go talk to her, man. No matter of fact, I don't go to make you come back around and like that. So where they are doing? You have homework and them something there?
No.
You know to want you up on the phone business, you know. Put on your phone, man.
But Daddy, every time when she always left the baby with me and go on her phone.
So are you and her alone live here?
Yes, Daddy.
Mark, what kind of question they may ask the Pitney? Me they write
No,
uh,
us
it's
something.
alright. Listen to me now. Yeah? You see, whenever our Mr. Man come back, you just come live with me. You hear me say? Come in, I want a bag of stepfather, I come raise you up. You hear what me say? You hear what your father say? So anytime you see a male move in this house, you call me up on the phone and let me come and get you. You hear your things then? Alright.
A matter of fact, let me say something before you leave. You see when you're young woman they come here, you don't call me before you reach her. Because I told you of a style when just pop up on my yard anytime I feel like pop up. What kind of style that?
Listen to me. I have a child here. So whosoever, if you don't want me come here, you tell me. Because anywhere me I go, my woman I go dead here. You Feel me? So there's no problem about that. We just talk about the child now. You understand? And child for raised as a child. You know for raised as a big people. Call me whenever you want to call me. Hear?
Okay.
Alright.
Mommy,
What do you?
so stepfather and Auntie Marika still a talk. I hear them round there, they whisper.
What do you say?
You don't believe me? What about accent? Since you don't believe me.
You hear them a whisper?
Yes.
And what?
They laugh.
When you hear that?
A while ago when we did out the song, they play.
Alright, let's say a word. But then go and whisper. I don't know where the one fire this so long, you know. So now,
Yes.
I want to ask you, you're sure what you hear? Because when fire coming on me, I'm asking about it, you know. So make sure I don't lie or tell you, you know.
Mommy, I don't know lie.
Speak of the devil.
Oh, are the king this? It can't be the devil. Go on.
Yeah, alright, you know.
JAMMIWOOD, you know. When I work a while ago, yo, me I tell everybody I said fire. How you can work so? You say I come on a yard you cook for me. This way you cook last night, give me a piece of energy. Plus the blend juice, right? Like it. More get some more of the, they call it the beetroot. You know what I mean? Want to see where I get.
Where you say you come from?
Work man come on for work.
Work. We need to ask you one question, but hold on. Now, me and stepfather need to have a conversation. So, go on down to Miss Joy shop, go buy one biscuit. So, we find some stuff by here. Come now. Put on your slippers and go and go buy one biscuit.
And look up and down on the road, here. Don't run out in the road and don't play upon the road. Road is not a play thing.
Let me have sit down.
This looks serious. I go propose. Yeah, well, me try marriage and now work, you know, so. Now work to the marriage, I bring to me now, you know, because every day I don't want married, and we don't have no money. Is you married prima married? No, I don't want to married yet. Wait first.
It's a serious time. I don't have time for joke.
I don't married yet, about.
You realize me not even laugh?
I don't say serious about your marriage thing, man. I don't say that it's serious.
Anyways. You and my friend still in a conversation though, still a talk.
Oh, me? This a boy, yeah? No, how dare you say that?
You and I never run the deck.
One more ask her now.
So why you get defensive?
No, because me not like to accuse me.
And I raise
Wrong
the
to me.
voice in my house.
Me no raise my voice as me talk, normal. But me like when you bring light to me, you bring the light good.
Me not like how you get
Why?
defensive.
No, defensive. When I accuse you of doing something, what you do? When me say you're arguing about what you do, take off your clothes. Yo, look and see now. Why you so know why me can't get defensive? When you tell a lie, come prove it. Come, you ready? Ready for going there?
Me dey ask you a question. Me
I-
say
I mean,
if you
answer
and my
you,
friend
no.
never run there.
No. Me don't walk. You ready? Are you ready?
Me not gonna prove nothing more than me know say una did run there, they giggle and they whisper.
But who
And you
tell
dey-
you that by the way?
You know worry about who tell me that. You dey lie in front of me face fire.
Come on. You stay so.
Oh, me stay fire.
Why you either accuse me?
The first time me accuse you say me accuse you. It come to pass when me I say don't.
The last time me accuse you of something, you take off all your clothes and say, see there, come look and rare. So why you say me get strong every time you ask me a question of a defense?
Fire. You know what? You're the line in front of me face, fire. And that me can't take with you, you know. You're too lie.
I don't tell no lie. And I don't talk when I go so. Right? But me say since you want, could you ask her if me I talk to her then?
All she ever do a lie to.
So everybody tell lie now. Your best friend is a liar?
It was.
Me ask her a question. Your best friend a liar?
She never lie, but from no cheat and a
No,
hide
let me
behind
ask
the
you.
back.
Is your best friend a liar? Does it yes or no question? Is she a liar?
Yes or no?
So, are you a liar?
Me no liar.
Show me a friend and tell you who you are. That's a friend fan. So if you say she yes and half and I'm not lying, you half and I'm not lying too. I bet there's plenty stories she can tell me about you or what you do, whatever. But me and her not talk. So me not gonna know. So how you accuse me now?
Yeah,
Come
nah.
on, man. I'll tell her. Tell me how tell her.
You not have to know who tell me.
Somebody tell mash my pie, you know. But it nah go work.
Hear what?
Tell them say nah go work.
Hear what? You're
Hear what?
innocent
You
until
cook.
proven.
You cook. Stop nice about that. No, don't offer that. No, you cook. You cook food.
Me not feed no liar.
So me work whole day today and no food not there.
Anywhere you come from, you go and go get food.
I said, well, I'm going to your friend and say, cook nothing belly.
Go on a which friend? Go on a which friend?
No, you want to know?
Fire! Fire!
Me say, go
No.
on my bridging, me say. When I'm my bridging, me say, me I go. Me I go put
This
up.
a little liar there, man.
Me say, if I know my grown and my bridging and I'm a friend, go see if they cook nothing wrong the road. What's the difference? You go along. That's another level in a woman place, you know. That's why I'm not in a woman place, because you see it, you call me back if a man angle me. You could have grabbed me a while ago, you could have tear off my new Ganzi. You know what man this a cost? Look on it. Look on it. Feel the material and the texture. You know, cheap. I run on my bread in here, but wait backside there. Oh, that's God.
Mom, wanna finish talk? I got the biscuit for you.
Like two. And you me really did buy it for about matter of me take one. Oh yes, sure took so. Where you get money? Now money this me give you for buy the biscuit. It's silver them.
Yes, mommy. Mommy, one of my friend them buy biscuit for me. She did buy 2 of them, and then she give me 1.
What you mean by one of your friend buy biscuit? Me not give you the money for buy the biscuit. Me not tell her say enough to take nothing from nobody.
Yes, mommy, but when me did buy, she just buy for me.
Me no business what you want to say. Me tell her say, do not take nothing from nobody. That's why me give her the money to buy your own things. So you see next time, me no business if a friend or nobody. Once you go up on the road, do not take no money from nobody. People will bribe you. You hear me say?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. All this.
Go on, I promise my virgin this is so I can get it. I'll get some food and I feel place.
You can't stay in the house every second, every day.
But food and everything do there for you cook. Why you not cook yet? So your dry goods you feed the man pick the pan.
Me not
Cook some
talk
food,
no
man.
talk so me nobody hear about dry goods me a feed.
Oh, so you hide the food? You cook and hide the food?
Go on where you go, yeah, man.
Oh,
Come
let's
not
eat
even
on
a
bread.
long talking with
Think
you.
good, man. I guess it's on virgin. Ami.
Come.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You still a baby sick though.
Yeah.
Don't make that all go on a fist in your belly and the baby know what are coming on. No make you down my belly too much. You down your belly, for you not down your belly, you know.
Nothing I do, baby. After I not start develop your belly young. Anyway, what happened?
But you're hungry like a dog.
See your food cover up over there, so come
Oh.
on, no say your name, did I get nothing for it? Cause my friend I like cook. So me dey cook and left some for you.
You know, say your wife material, you know. Alright, so all me have to do. Now drive go down the road
Yeah.
and go get one drinks and eat and come back.
Can back my plate, please?
Yeah man, you're good though.
Yeah, me good.
Why you not call me today? Text me. Man.
Me no want call you and text you.
But me there work and I'm not there home. I can't call me and text me man.
You call me and text me. You're there at work. Text me, let me know.
Alright. You want food too? You want food? You want food? Eh? You want food? Want food? Want food? Later.
Later.
Later. Dada. Dada.
That's all about you, man. Oh, that.
Marika,
Oi.
open the door here, please.
Oh, you come and lick down me door so far. What your problem?
I could have swear me hear my man round here, me hear fire round here.
Girl, what I'm tell you, just well 1 year for your man voice in my room, so. You know, don't tell me say me fi leave your man alone. Anything more me fi come through you first. So what you want to
Girl,
me I watch TV.
me swear. It's alright. Sorry.
Where you go?
Me say,
Come out and
you see if,
no bother with it.
listen to me
No
now.
bother with it. This
You see,
me
if
can't bother. Me no feel
me
good,
ever
girl.
catch fire around you, all when you breathe, me a dirt you.
And next time, you see, you think I like it last time when I was on my neck. And next time you try that, you go see which God you serve.
Well,
Come out of my
if
room.
a dirt,
Come
that
out
me
of
I
my
tell
room.
you.
Bright.
Today was a long day.
You know, see me ID.
No. Yeah. That's one thing to you. Why you keep on washing so much as a red shirt? And it's the same. I know some buy them in a bulk. But I don't want I feel wear the same thing over and over. So every time I have the same something, I say one day if I change my clothes and try to have too much I want set of clothes. I start mismatch them though. But I like the red pants match up this stuff. I some really put them together. But what's my next one then man? Alright?
All you have to start wash your own clothes now. Can I trade even now?
Oh yeah, I know.
We just go in a town and come back.
Alright, glad. Yeah, carry that out though.
No. May I leave her so I beg you look for her while
Yeah, carry your phone, you left her
Half
the phone.
hour.
You have a phone?
no me I left my phone.
A phone because I don't want to tap on my phone because my phone is a business phone. And two to play game pan in my shop. Alright?
Alright, me go left her with the phone so half an hour time I come back. Yeah? Me I deal with something and come.
Alright. Oh yeah, eat some more. Alright, more can see you. So you just want to see your mother phone and never really play with it, yeah? So that's all. So now I'm going to eat it. You alright though?
Yeah.
Alright, but you study your book though? How much you get at school, buddy? How much you come in that class last time? Third?
I don't know.
Or didn't I tell you? You need to come down to school and talk. Because then if you tell you how much you do at school and I say no, my head. That's true. You know if you learn or you don't learn. Alright. Don't move from your side now. Play the game. Alright? Play game on the phone. Now go look about and come back. Don't move out of the room because some people, I know nobody can teach you for your mother or just some things there for your mother. I don't want them teeth you. Yeah? So you ensure to come out of the room. Alright?
Okay.
Alright. I don't want no funny things from other things. Alright? Yes, no.
I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
Go on now. You have to go tell your. Just start loud on the day. Make a friend here. Like come in and ask. Hey, I come to a country and now, friend. You know, so I don't tell me I don't tell you I got a country say now to come on and then me tell her say I got work. Right?
Yeah.
And then when we say I work in the night now, we can spend, we can get a hotel or we can go somewhere go chill out in a van for a while and then come back to it in the night. Waiting.
Alright, anything you say? What time you
Well, about 9 o'clock. Yeah, man. So 9 o'clock, good man. But tell her, say, yo, I got work, and you can tell her, just tell her, say, yo, you got country. So there you go and play some short in the van. In the evening, and we'll have a good time, maybe just get a KFC, just going to. I'm going to call you in the room, to the bar. Yo, it's not too people, when they're on their phone, they're on a different world. They call the phone like that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. So,
Anything else?
but you know you so 9 o'clock you say? Well, if I 9 o'clock you say then we go work, you know. Now go back on there for she suspect say the out of room find up on the phone. So mama so come back and do nice phone again long. You good do. But when you go to 9 o'clock. Yeah? Alright, Naya?
Yeah.
Why you play on the phone? What you playing on the phone?
And game.
So you're good though?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take a 5, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Alright. You good?
Yeah, man, good man.
Just stay doors there, my friend.
You stay long?
Yeah, no, I just sleep, I'm gonna move fire so. But you're gone with the right to sleep so. I don't know. But I sleep so.
You're tired?
Yeah, no, I sleep so. I'm tired, but I'm gonna get a call. You know, it's a while ago when I got I get a call say I'm going for the work. So I soon go to a shower and then I go up on the work. Yeah? I work tonight. Till late, I go work.
So, oh, you just get that the sudden call this so.
I said to me ask them, me ask them if I not have a life. That me ask them, I not have a life. So I not have a wife. I not have a life. That me ask them. I not have a choice. But if I go work, I have to work, you want money, then alright. Because stay at tonight I quit working now. Where am I doing? I'm really don't want to do.
I don't want you to quit no work. You want money.
Alright, so
You just want now.
that may have to have a right, but really and truly, you want the money. So we'll go.
Alright. So now what happens?
I'm all of it still, because I want to give me a work I like late, you know. I'm the only Jamaican for no time. And that's what I'm going to do. Then I come to work 6 o'clock, I'm there from 5:30. And so I'm still. You know I'm scared for a long time.
Yeah, man.
Before time. I'm going to reach before time. All of you.
So let's see how long I'm going to come say. You want bud? Mm-mm.
Mama, you saw Stefan is saying I get up in this last day. In put up on Grona anti-America.
You get up and go to anti-America. Someone just tell me, say, he never get up for yourself.
And the hear them talk about I'm going to take out her and carry her somewhere nice and to tell you, say, I'm going to go work and anti-America go to country for fool you.
So, a while ago when you tell me, say, you get called to go work, and then that's the case. Naya, we are sitting. Naya, you sure say that a year? What else a year? Nothing?
Yeah, that my ear.
So them a plan. So fire plan to go work. And anti-America, our country.
But we might go out together.
Okay. Thanks for telling me, my daughter. Thanks, here. No worries. Sorry, no worries. No, I say a good door. You sure? Yeah, I'm gonna sleep.
Sleep what?
Anyways, me soon come here, go on the road. So when the fire come from, what I bash with him, so me gone on the road, yeah?
Where your mother there?
Oh, she gone. Hello.
She love the road though. She love the road. Anyway, I and I gonna work here. I go buy KFC for you when I'm coming back, alright? If the KFC lock, you get the one next day. Alright? Alright. Hello, so I'm gonna go. Sexy lady. Sexy baby. Oh, go on. Come in, man. So I trouble you. Watch your road, baby. Let them check your pass. I don't want nothing there now. Come in the floor, cause you know.
Good evening.
You were going on now.
Oh,
Mama just gone, you know.
where she gone?
She gone to work, you know. So I want to go one place, go mash up something in her, you know. Right? You ready?
Yes, ready.
Ready to get it mash up? Damage? Yeah, come with us, please, and run. Where my back seat? Put my back seat. Guys, this back seat, yeah?
Grown way. Grown way.
Stop wrong.
Hey.
What do you do around there?
You are run, girl. You are run. I went there. I say. You're not worried about me catching a panda. One of them people I feel say, me da run on the down.
I know what it look like. I know what it look like. Come on. You're finishing over.
I know.
Come on.
Me hear everything. Oh yeah,
I'm
we
sorry.
mash up things.
Sorry.
Fire.
No, but you
But it
know,
warm,
say.
you know.
No, but you know, say. It's a baby face afterwards. And you know, cleanliness is a part of godliness. So, me no, listen, you know, say, a part of the game. So, and I like say, Ray, me no want you to find out. But when you watch me, so, are you a security guard, are you a FBI? Or you dey on my case, so? Me I try it out to your eye sight, and you, because I done gone bad already. The doctor say, ask her if think a lie. She have to get waterings. She have to get enjoy. So, alright. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on too. Put her on place and make everything alright.
I'm gonna hurry up on this one.
We're going to move on.
Hurry up on one. Yeah, save me back. Hey, yo.
Wait. No, my pregnant, I'm pregnant. It's pregnant, yo. Look at top of that.
Naya,
Yes, mommy.
wake up. Come help me pack up stepfather things. I don't want to get you involved because you're a child. But me I beg you come help me. You have to come out here today. Today you have to come out here. You know say, me and Auntie Marika just fight a while ago. And let me tell you this. Look for me. Let me tell you this. You see, as long as you live, me don't want you to talk to Marika.
But mommy, you don't say I'm a Marika, my auntie, and my love her, mommy.
Me understand say you love her, Naya. But just listen, me and her no friend no more and we will never be friends. Me no want to get you mixed up. Cause you're a child. But this a friendship yeah, it have to done. It have to cut off and me no want you and her. Me no listen. You hear what me say? Come help me pack up. Come.
I want to sleep.
Alright, go and go sleep.
Minute, cause you know where it go. If we no read, so long time I not touch it live, you know what I mean? If you can really communicate with I, long time not to go up on tika-taka, you know what I mean? But every story that we try to do, we try to do it Jamaican wise. Authentic Jamaican. So you quite know. Some of the time we go do somebody flask it up and make up on them radio, but we don't really emphasize in that yet. You know what I mean? We try to do the grassroots like people normally that in yard. Some people that they yard and they put on a makeup on the day break. Some people don't put on a makeup unless they go somewhere specific. You know what I mean? They put on that. You know what I mean? More to not understand me and say no. So I'm doing authentic Jamaican movie. It's a struggle, it's a fight to get things where it are. You know what I mean? So in our country, how do the research how much land there, how much acre land there, Jamaica really, you know what I mean? Because I want peace side. So how do the research really, because we really need to structure ourselves in Jamaica. And JAMMIWOOD would want a piece of land now to really, you know, bring the thing to life officially, you know what I mean? So we can have more, because we want to set the thing on a different level, you know. But it take a time and take a process. So because we're upon training now, you know what I mean? So any category where we put movie in, we want to have the facility for that. Jamaica doesn't movie big yet. You know what I mean? But we don't really care, we are doing it because within ourselves we know that we're big. Even though the system don't recognize us yet, you know what I mean? But give thanks to you, the viewers who recognize I and I Rastafari. You give out the strength to push forward and know, sir, then there is a way forward and this is necessary. You know what I mean? Because when you look around, everything is sold out and not enough has been done for us as human beings. Yo, really and truly now, one of my things when I want to give back to the country, it not go happen unless JAMMIWOOD reach part it needs to be. And what my main objective of me would want to give back to Jamaica, I would want to help out the health system, right? Because you're born at the hospital and most likely when you feel sick, you go to the hospital and try stay alive, right? So when I go to our hospital down in this region, I realize that there's no value being put on us as human beings. Saying this to say that when I go into the hotel is so crispy and it's so nice and it's so this and it's, that's how the health place should be too. Because we have to have some value in ourselves and some dignity to know that this is human being and this is flesh and blood and brain and everything. So the health here must be one of the top something up so. Enough to be down there so maybe might be so. Only when you go there, you feel it. So it's a concern to a couple of viewers and them express it to me. So may I express it to the world who are watch. Say we need to do it, we need to do there so we can do something back. And that we don't want to do back. So that means say we have to depend on good ground so we can make good income so we can get that done without even shake we and the people who put in the work to make the movie possible. You know what I mean? So it's a serious calling. We don't know when we're going to reach there, but we work towards that. And that's one I think somebody want to give back to Jamaica. Because material things and money and them things there, you know. No make for dog, you know. You never see a dog that spend $1,000 yet, you know. Money and them things that make for human being. Some people have it put on some place and not using it at all after a lifetime or them grandparents can't done it. But we as a sufferer, we can't ever see money. What if I answer me now? So I would like the system to pay attention to the people them who are do good in the country to make a better step forward. My movie them, we try to keep them edgy because we're living on the edge of a knife blade. One slip and we're dead. And then this I hope you understand what I say. So I try to keep it edgy as possible. Some people are comfortable when I watch some of my part them. But listen to me, this is Jamaica. And worse than what I put on these films this year. And I'm not going to killing on them. So because killing is the worst thing we could imagine still. I want to take your life. But what God give you is one of the worst things could happen really. You know what I mean? You have different things that come along the line, come down the line. The bad same way. But we have to put the best foot forward and do the best we can do. You know what I mean? It has been a long road. It has been a long day. You know what I mean? But we want a piece of the land here. We can put on a foundation. We say this is JAMMIWOOD. You know what I mean? And we can put in infrastructure. We can get to have different things them there. Because when I do a movie more comfortable and more easy to do, we can have a wardrobe room that means somebody come from far, we have everything there for them working already. And even one local school there for teach people how to act to. Because you want that and teach people how to angle camera and thing. But we just don't want to have it school and just like how Jamaica I do a lot of in every school you have them have drama. But after that there is no place for them to exercise the drama that they have been taught at school, right? So that's why I want to create this platform for when people go to school and learn look at drama, you're good in drama, or at least you can link up with JAMMIWOOD. There's a facility there with BAM, you can bus where you can turn big movie star. Come on, build it away. That means when somebody out the world, I said them want an actor to talk in a Jamaican language. Me don't want nobody from America I say I do the language. You know what I mean? We want a real Jamaican who have to go pretend to act like they're Jamaican. When there's so much Jamaican here, you know what I mean? It's sad because we really need the finance money, yeah, to live. You know what I mean? It's rough and it's tough. You know what I mean? So glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Thanks for listening. Big up all them sponsor them from that time till this time, bunny down to the ground. You know what I mean? Alia Sky, big up yourself, bunny down to the ground. You know what I mean? All them producer them. You know what I mean? It's a long list. Dear man, big up yourself. Give me a shout with General, bunny down to the ground. You know how I go? Yeah man. Big up to Tassan Franco. Big up to Empress G. Long time I talk to her. Empress G, what go on, mommy? What go on in our kitchen? Eh? What go on in our kitchen? I know she must have cook up something, you know. Remember, check out her channel, see how she always have the thing them of make ice cream, of make everything from scratch. Check out Empress G. Same way, you know what I mean? Bunny down, enough respect. We did it from day one, same way, you know what I mean? Long time we not talk, you know what I mean? But we gonna link up, we gonna talk, man. Yeah, man. Big up Mama Jai, Kingston City, bunny down to the ground. Bless myself. Yeah, man, we soon link up. I got a thing go on same speed, you know what I mean? Big up. Big up already. Oh, yeah. Annette, big up yourself, bunny down to the ground, man. You take what you take and you go do it, you know what I mean? From that time till this time, big up yourself. Yeah, man. But for right now, I want to listen up. Because I won't right now listen. But big up all of the producers them from Media Vibes. Go straight back to Jules. Big up yourself. From that time till this time. Jules. See up on the road. Careful out on the road then. Come see a drive through and they break. You then at the vehicle go and hold it. Hold it meditation, man. You know where you go. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, but down to the ground. Big up everybody out there. With a name in a call, big up on yourself, same way, because you don't know. One movement, and from that time to this time, became everybody name from top of my head. So big up every one of the fans, them, big up everybody out in the world, big up. We can't stop big up because I want to make the thing possible and continue to do, you know what I mean? Because I want to share it, you know. They say I want you to share it, people are see it and I hear it. Big up all of the kids them out there in the world. We are trying to create a brighter future. When the time comes, we're going to have a space for hack out in the world and show your talent and can help your parents who send you to school. So we don't want the business just be a business like how it is now. No money now make out right now. But me feel like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh and them prime when reggae music just start. You know what I mean? So this is like the movie part of it. So I know that there's movie showing out the world and the world can't supply amount of movie when need did at the time out in the world. Because when I want to take how much money build one movie, you take 1 hour, 2 hours, watch it off. So give me a next movie. So there's always room for movie can't done. And I like when I'm small and I want to an artist. Me I say one day by the time I get bigger now, the whole of the music them right out already no more song no left. I know that the way there. So there's always gonna be new movie, new ideas, whole heap of things to go on, you know what I mean? So me have some bigger project to work on. But my mind I tell me say, Fire, try look into an official studio where you can get even one good green screen today so you can do certain things. So that my brain depend on uplift the thing to a next level. So you know what I mean? Right now, give me a comment and tell me how much acre land in a Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just tell me how much acre. Because I know some people own all 500 acre, you know, 800 acre. And if you know body they don't cater. If you poor people don't cater, we can't never get peace island. But we want peace island though. So tell who to tell, say yeah. Tell them to link I, Rastafari. We want a better Jamaica. And it go start from somewhere. So we can start from the movie world then now. We do it to the reggae already. And see now them sweep reggae one side. Reggae only overseas reggae they now. Dancehall in Jamaica now. No reggae music again. Me not hear it. Me not hear it to share it. But anyway, that is this and this is that. We now fight the next man thing and man I go on them things same way. I just entertainment, but some of my time we have to look into the entertainment still. Likewise I. So me now cut myself out tight. So let's go. Enough talking now. Wanna check out our next movie, yeah? Now go try drink something early in the morning now. Alright, burn it up.